We have a little bit of torrential rain at the Wigtown market at the moment, so we can imagine how many customers we're having. Hopefully they will come up later if the rain stops. It should stop. But yeah, this is how my stall looks at the moment. I've got the postcards here. Maybe this will cheer you up in case you're upset. Some of my books as usual. Some of my older books and my upcoming book. I got some plans here. This book should come up on the 6th of August 2025. Fingers crossed, all is well. But yeah, that's the release date. At least it's peaceful rain. There's no thunder or any like ice, so that's nice. It rained last night as well. It stopped in the morning, so I was able to gather some mushrooms to bring some for the people at the market. But after we set up here at the table, it started raining again. Anyway, we hope to see you at the Wigtown market. There is lots more to see than just my table, but at the moment, yeah, I'm not coming out. Even if I have an umbrella, I'm not coming out from under this stall. I'll wait for a few moments until it stops. Thank you for watching. Take care.